Hi YouTube, NARDIP here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about top features of Galaxy S7 Edge. This phone is a perfect combination of software and hardware. I love display on this device because this display is 16 by 9. The latest Galaxy devices are coming with 18 by 9 aspect ratio like Galaxy S8 or S9, but this device has 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Due to this ratio, all the YouTube videos plays on its full screen. On 18 by 9 ratio, the YouTube videos are cuts off from up and down. But on this screen, you can fully enjoy the all videos in full version. Another beautiful feature of this device is always on display. I love all Samsung Galaxy S devices which have always on display feature. And it is also highly customizable. You can go to quick settings and customize it. So like there are tons of layouts are available which are highly customizable. If you go to one, and you can change the background too. Also you can change the color of text. Here we go. I love this function on all Samsung Galaxy devices which own this feature. Another beautiful feature of this Galaxy S line is it has Edge display. On Edge display you can add another layouts. With this you don't need to install any third-party application. With this shortcut you can go to your quick apps, to your weather information, to your music player. Even it is also highly customizable. You can go to settings and there are tons of edge screens available which you can apply, or even in the Samsung themes you can download more. Some of those are paid and some of those are free. Even like easy calculator, to-do list, another music player lists, calendar. One more software feature of this device is Samsung Galaxy themes, which is exclusive to Samsung Galaxy devices. On these devices you can download tons of themes which are available free for only these Samsung Galaxy devices. Also in this app you can download wallpapers and icons for this device. If you browse here, there are thousands and thousands of Samsung Galaxy themes available. Some of those are paid and some of those are free. Another software feature of this device I love is there is a do not disturb mode in this phone, which is also highly customizable. You can turn it on now or you can schedule it in times, like on weekdays you can start at like 10 p.m. or if you wanna customize, like you can turn on 11 p.m. done, and you wanna turn it off on next day 7 a.m. Also there are custom exceptions. You can set some contacts which are your like family contacts, your friends contacts, which you don't wanna do on do not disturb on mode. Due to all these customizable features, I love this do not disturb mode on these devices. Last but not the least, the edge display. It lights up when phone is facing downwards on your table. Whenever somebody texts you or calls you, it lights up.